Hi, today I'm going to show you how. You can use the DTM application to control the feed mixer wagon during loading and unloading operations directly from your smartphone or tablet. You can load each ingredient precisely, you can unload the ration, install, and you can always view the weight in real time on your device. Let's start by creating some components. I've already created a few, but let's also add alfalfa and hay, first cut. Now let's move on to the groups. I've already created the dry group, but now I want to create the lactation group. I'm also associating a number of animals with the lactation group, 120. Now I can move on to creating the recipe based on the components I just created. So let's create a recipe for morning lactation. And add the ingredients to the recipe. For each individual ingredient, I can then set a weight. Let's start with cornmeal and continue with all the other ingredients. Finally, let's save the recipe. Associating the first one with our group of lactating cows. We have created our components, our groups, and our recipes. Now all that's left is to synchronize with our connection to the mixer scale. If your mobile device loses connection or has any malfunction, don't worry, everything is safe within the scale. It's a system designed to be reliable, flexible, and always operational. With the DTM application, feeding your dairy cows precisely has never been so easy. Download the app now and start making your day in the barn easier.